Hey guys, it's Mingu here. So I'm participating in a Taglocke with some ECA folks. So it should be really fun. Yeah, so let's get right to it. So I have the second segment, so I believe we just completed the first gym. And so I haven't really seen this team yet, so we'll see who we have and go from there. So it looks like we have an Ambipom named Pro Jared, which I think is a great name. It's Timid Nature, so that's pretty bad. And with pickup, okay, and it knows Scratch, Astonish, Sand Attack, and Baton Pass. Now, I have no idea what the level up moveset is for Ambipom, but hopefully we get some better moves. Okay, so we have Sheldon, the Seadra, which is Brave, and has Poison Point, which is kind of clutch. And it knows Water Gun, Bubble, Smokescreen, Leer. We have Ultramoon, which is Adamant, with Levitate, obviously. Confusion, Rock Throw, Tackle, Hypnosis, so pretty cool. We got U-Boat, who is Careful, with Ruskin, and rocking the Bite, Rage, Leer, Focus Energy. We have Oof, who's Careful Nature, with Huge Power, okay. With Splash Charm and Tail Whip. I don't know, I don't remember how it evolves into, Meryl, but hopefully and Azumarill is actually Power, so if it's possible, then we should definitely look into that. And finally we have Trash, the Iggly buff, which is also Brave, Cute Charm, Sing Charm, and Defense Curl. So definitely I think, Ambipom's definitely the powerhouse at the moment, but definitely wanting to look into Azurill. In fact, I'm looking it up right now, how to evolve Azurill. One sec, looking it up on my phone as we speak. Oh, it's Friendship. Okay, that's doable. So it's a Friendship evolution into Meryl, and then Meryl evolves past level 18. So pretty cool. Although this is Gen 4, so I have no idea if the Gen 4 moveset is any good, is the thing. But regardless, it's a pretty neat squad. And so we'll get right to it then. Also, I haven't played 4th gen in a very long time. So, oh, sorry. And I'll try not to use speed up as well, because it screws up with the music. But yeah, so like I was saying, I haven't played this gen for a long time, so actually I'm gonna be kind of lost. That's okay. It'll be more realistic, I guess. Okay, maybe this kind of stuff. I'll speed up the dialogue, but let me just check the settings. Okay, so it's on fast. It's just super slow. Alright, also, I'll move to that. Okay. Cool, so I believe... Oh, and I should also check if there's anything in the PC. I doubt it, because we have an Iggly buff on our team. But, you never know, so... we'll see. Sorry, I meant move. So yeah, nothing here. And, since it hasn't been done yet, we'll just call this, RIP. I like doing this first, because something's gonna die. It wouldn't be fun anyways if... Oh, I think I clicked back. Oh, okay, no, it's good. Alright. Sounds good. Okay. So, yeah, let's just get right to it. Let me pull up what we have to do. So we have to clear top part of 204, and also Windworks, so we'll do that first. So I actually think we're supposed to go north? Let's see. 207. Let me check the town map. Maybe I'm wrong. Again, I haven't played this. Oh, we have some items. We have specs. Okay. We might want to give this to, what's his face? U-boat, right? Because I think U-boat had a bite or something. We'll see. Maybe I just gave a completely useless item. So, I believe... yeah, so actually we're supposed to go back west and then go up to 204. So we'll do that. Good thing I checked them out. Okay, so I'll speed up on the journey. Oh, looks like we get a battle. 27. Is that really our rival's name? 27? Are you kidding me? Okay. Whoops, scrubs. You got the gym badge, huh? Eternal City is the next place at the gym that gives away badges, right? So yeah, I went to Route 207, but you can't get there without a bicycle. I made my team battle and toughened them up, so it wasn't a waste. So, I'm going back to Jubilife City. Next stop, the Eternal Gym badge. 10 seconds before I dash. 9. Bah! Who's got time to count? Alright, so I guess it wasn't actually a battle. I'll only be like saying some of the important dialogues, nothing else. So we're not supposed to get an encounter yet. Although I will have to check the spreadsheet just to be sure. So we get an encounter Ravaged Path first, and then Windworks. So none of these are actual encounters. Can't wait till we get a bike. I have no idea when that is. Like I said, I don't remember. Okay. Tell me, have you not obtained a Pal Pad? Is not a Pal Pad free to anyone visiting the Pokemon Center's basement? Anyway, there appears to be no one shady in this Jubilife City. I shall therefore take my investigation elsewhere. But my friend, I suggest you remain vigilant for shitty grown-ups. Alright, cool. Yeah, I like kind of forgot some of the plot too. It's been a while. Do we have Pokeballs? We should definitely check. Like again, I got past this, so okay, we have 14. That's enough. So I have no idea what we have and what we don't have. Now, Professor Rowan, you must comply. Hand over all your research findings for free, naturally. Failure to comply will result in a painful time for your assistant. Ah, Scrubs. Well, how is the Pokédex progressing? That's Oreburgh's gym badge, I see. But hadn't I given you your first Pokemon only recently? Yes, you have. Perhaps being a trainer is like second nature to you. Oh, Professor of Pokemon, must you be so difficult? We are speaking to you on business, because this is work for us. What you're saying is, we demand you comply with our demands. Quiet, you lot. Why must you be such a nuisance? Let me list some lessons you still need to learn. What a badass. Don't loiter around. Number 1, don't loiter around for no good reason. Number 2, don't interrupt others while they are attempting to converse. Number 3, if you don't get your way, don't raise your voice to be intimidating. Okay, I guess I should have raised my voice. Number 4, don't think you're growing strong just because you're in a group. Number 5, what is with those outlandish outfits you have on? Damn. My goodness, you call yourselves adults? You kids don't grow up to be like these sorry specimens. You had to make this personal. You have forced our hand into making a show of force. Okay, whoever says is not very intimidating. We'll make you regret insulting Team Galactic. You kids, give these thugs a lesson in civility, please. Scrubs, let's battle together. Alright, so I guess we're battling with Dawn in a double battle. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So this is all randomized, so I'm curious to see what this would be. Sableye and Hitmontop versus... Okay, oh, I see. So she has Loudred. I remember Loudred was one of the starter choices. So that's interesting. Okay, we do get intimidated, so that's pretty bad. So, well, Hitmontop is actually really scary. Like, actually scary. So, I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna go to Ultra Moon, since it's, at least just, regular effectiveness. And we do have Psychic, I'm pretty sure. Although Sableye is also kind of scary, but I doubt it has anything good. I'm more scared about Hitmontop. So, yeah, we'll see. Okay, uses Uproar. Okay, that did nothing. Okay, so Revenge is not bad. So I'm just gonna do Confusion on Hitmontop. Seems good there. Oh, that's my phone. Okay. Wow, Loudred just got beat up. Alright, but we're looking pretty good. Okay, Loudred didn't do anything. Thanks. And then we'll just Rock Throw, because it should, oh no, it's not like Rock Slide. Okay, we'll just Confusion, finish off this, Hitmontop. Seems pretty good. I'll be using Speed Up, this is kind of slow. Sorry, I'm guilty of just using too much Speed Up, but, it's just really slow for me. Okay, Astonish. Okay, that does some decent damage to us. Looks like this Loudred actually can't hit the Sableye, which is a concern. I don't want to stay in because it's been hitting me. What do you know again? You know Bite. Okay. Let's go into U-Boat. Seems pretty safe considering he uses Astonish and stuff. So it doesn't seem that bad. And the Ruskin. So I guess Astonish is actually Contact. You learned something new. Okay, so I'm just gonna Bite. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, Foresight. It's good. All is good. And yeah, there he goes. Okay, I'm just gonna speed through this. Oops, I didn't read any of this. Alright, well, you guys can play the game if you want to read the dialogue. But I assume all of you guys have played this already. Why don't you collect all the gym badges as Sinnoh? Yeah. Why don't we? Why don't we, Don? Oh, so we had to have permission to keep the Pokemon, I guess. So I guess they weren't intending for us to keep our Pokemon. But too bad, we are going to anyways. Oh my gosh, there's always a TV reporter. I think. In like a lot of the games at least. Nice. Perhaps we'll do that some other time. But I'm just really curious to see our next encounter, honestly. I think encounters are the best parts of Nuzlocke. So... Yep. So let me just heal up. They were level 11, and our Pokemon are... like, a number of them are pretty over-leveled. Oof is gonna be hard to train. I wonder when we get the experience share. I'm gonna put U-Boat in front. I think U-Boat is pretty good. Sharpedo is decent. So 204 is not an encounter, but we're supposed to clear it, I believe. And then... Ravaged Path. Okay, so this is our first encounter, guys. Yeah, let's just get the encounter first before anything. Oh, and I believe, I guess, oh, here's a Moonstone. That's cool. In case we wanted the Wigglytuff, which I'm assuming we don't. Let's get our encounter first, and our encounter is... It's a Haunter! That's awesome. So I believe that we made all trade evolutions possible in some way. So this will become a Gengar. The question is, how do I catch this? It's a good question. So we have Hypnosis. Okay. Can this guy touch? No. See, this is my concern. I don't think the guys who won't kill him, like, Astonish is gonna kill. Oh jeez. I don't know what to do. Oh! Okay, let's see what moves this guy has. I'm actually gonna tackle. I want to see what moves he has. He has Spite. Okay, that's annoying. He has Lake. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. Alright, he did. Okay. Dude, you guys are gonna see some pro strats right here, right now. Okay, that's fine. So we're just gonna focus energy. And at some point, he's gonna lick us. Okay, he's gonna lick. Okay, well... he should lick. Please lick. What? Okay, there we go. And yeah, see? Now he's taking Rough Skin. So, jeez, he's really... Okay. So slowly, we're gonna get some damage on this Haunter. Yeah, we have Leers too. We're not gonna attack him at all, so it's okay. But I would really prefer if he licked us. Yeah, okay. I don't want him to... I don't know. Struggle. Okay, so he's already in the yellow. We can keep going. Dude, I haven't ever done this kind of thing before, where I literally use Rough Skin. Alright, now we gotta be careful. So, we're just gonna... we're gonna go to Ultra Moon. Okay. And we're going to Hypnosis. Alright. Sick. And now let's catch this thing. So, Pokeballs. Oh, actually we're in a cave, so we can use Dust Ball. So let's use Dust Ball. Even though I hate how Dust Balls look. Easy, dude. You know which Pokemon's gonna be replaced? Definitely the Igglybuff. Alright. This is sick. I love Gengar. Gengar is one of my favorite mons. Okay. It's a female. Female Gengar. I'm gonna name it, Sabrina. Obviously after the, gym leader. Oh, I keep having the mouse pointer. Sorry, guys. I hate it when people do that. Sabrina. Oh, was transferred to RIP. We're gonna have to change that. But let's go back. Let's honestly go back. And, pick up Sabrina. Yep. So we want to move. to our party. Yes. And then let's move you here. And hopefully never use you ever. Sorry, Igglybuff, but you just kind of suck. Alright, I honestly want to train up this this Haunter, so we can probably switch train. Some concerns I have, okay? Haunter is pretty useless until he learns Nightshade. Oh, dude, guys, it's Modest Nature. Holy dude, that's sick. And it was Hypnosis, Lick, and Spite, as we saw. So yeah, so my concern is that Haunter's gonna be ass for a while until it learns Nightshade at least. It learns a lot of physical stuff like Shadow Punch and things like that. And it won't learn Shadow Ball for a while. So that's my concern, and I have no idea how to evolve it. We'll have to figure that out. Probably not this segment, because I'm not, you know, we're not gonna have a level 30 something Pokemon by the end of this segment, but we'll see. But my also a concern I have is Pursuit, right? So you know, a Pokemon might randomly pursue us. You know, I think we can train on this. It might take a while though. Is this even worth? Okay, this is almost not worth. Does this only know Withdrawal? Okay, but Ghost is a huge advantage because a lot of Pokemon early actually only know like normal moves, even if they're not normal type. Things like Tackle, Scratch, and so forth. So that's actually really helpful. Hey, that was actually really good. Okay, I changed my mind. Also, Modest is gonna suck for our physical moves in the beginning. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, so I believe we probably need to teach something. Rock Smash. Rock Smash, here we go. Hey, Avalanche, Dragon Rush. Pretty cool. Oh, everyone can learn it. Maybe that's one of the features. For now, let's have Oof learn it. And we can always delete it later, I think. I believe so. Okay. So let's see what this item is. Secret Power! That's actually really good. Wait, are TMs one use only? Ah, they are. Secret Power is a really good normal move, so it would be good on our Ambipom. I'm gonna wait for now, just because it's one use only. But yeah, maybe we'll teach it to Ambipom. Alright, so here's another trainer. Oh. Guess it's not a trainer. Here's a trainer. Oh my gosh. Well, I can't touch you, but you're gonna give me a lot of experience. So that's really good. Let's go into Ultra Moon. I'm kind of scared to go into Carvana. Carvana has really weak defense. Oh, okay. Well, special defense Rose, so let's Rock Throw. We're also Adamant, I believe. So our attack is probably better. Wow, this guy's just boosting up. Okay, yeah, Tackle does nothing. Yep. Oh, 2 levels. Sick. Huntail. You don't know Pursuit, so let's go into Sabrina. And let's switch into... Okay, let's try U-Boat. Oh my god, that was not very effective. Okay, but we flinch and we're faster. Alright, living on the edge. But, that was fine. Nice. Okay, completely useless item for Nuzlocke, but sure. Hey, let's show off my bug Pokemon. Hitmonchan. You probably can't hit me, but I'm not risking it. So let's go into Ultra Moon. Oh wow, okay, the pro plays. I'm not scared, so let's just rock throw. Yeah, it's gonna do nothing. Okay, it actually did more than I thought, but we can just rock throw again. Nice, that's a lot of experience, honestly. We'll keep battling, and we'll just Confusion you. So Hitmonchan actually has pretty good special defense, but yeah, that still does way too much. And I guess he just wanted to boost the speed. Alright, that's some good experience. Okay, looks like, oh, I keep doing that, sorry. Looks like this is double battle. You guys should be okay, so let's just jump into it. There's always these like little two girls in whatever game. Holy cow! Alright, well, Zapdos Shiftry, that is scary for both. Very scary, very scary. I have no idea what they know. I'm gonna switch. This sucks. Wait, Zapdos? Why does Zapdos body our team? Okay, I'm gonna switch Sabrina to Progerid and Sheldon to holy cow, these guys act like, here's my concern. Shiftry bodies Ludenstone, and Zapdos bodies everyone basically. So I think we kind of have to pray here. Yeah. Thundershock. Oh my god, that was a crit. And he boosts up. It's so scary. So I think what I have to do is I have to take out the Shiftry, definitely. So I need I'm gonna heal up. Oh, I didn't check potions or anything. Okay, we'll just heal up Ultra Moon for sure, and then kill the Shiftry first. That way he can't kill my Ultra Moon for some reason. Thunder Wave? Oh, that sucks. That really sucks. Okay, thank God it didn't go for my Ultra Moon. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to keep attacking the Shiftry and heal up Ultra Moon. Yeah. Okay, we got waved again. Feint attack. Luckily onto Progerid, who can take it. Okay, so now that we have this, we can now that Ultra Moon's all healed up, I mean, we can heal up Progerid. So we can heal up Progerid, Thundershock. Oh my god, that does so much damage, and we get paralyzed. Okay, this is not working. We need to take out the Shiftry first and have someone else out, like everyone else gets bodied. You're not fairy type, right? No, see, it's normal. There's no fairy. I don't know. I forgot our settings. So my concern, right? My concern is we're gonna get bodied by Feint Attack. We have a Super Potion, right? I don't want to go into Sheldon because then Sheldon gets Thundershocked, and probably just dies, to be honest. So let's just use the Super Potion. I mean, at this point, okay. I see what we have to do. So at this point, we'll use you. We'll Super Potion the Ultra Moon. Wait. Oh, what I was going to do is I was gonna use Rock Throw or something instead. Oh, it does it immediately. Okay. Sorry, I was really confused. And then we'll Rock Throw you. Okay, Peck. That's not bad. Razor Leaf. Oh, how much is it gonna do? It was a crit! Oh my god. Okay, we should be okay now. Because what we can do is... I mean, we can potion Ultramoon. And then we Rock Throw. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so we got paralyzed. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry, I'm like having a brain fart. So we gotta heal up Pro Jared and still try to Rock Throw. Okay, and then Rock Throw the Zapdos. Thundershocks. Okay, Thundershocks the Ambipom. It's okay. And then Rock Throw. We keep missing or getting paralyzed. This is so annoying. At this point, we're pretty safe. So we can Scratch and Rock Throw. We're running out of PP. I think it has pressure, actually. That also really sucks. Okay, we get the Scratch off. And it does no damage because we're timid. But Rock Throw with Adamant. Okay, so this will die to one Rock Throw or maybe a Scratch. Do we risk it? No. So what we should do is we should heal. We should heal Pro Jared, I think. And then... Okay, and then Rock Throw again. No, it doesn't have pressure, we just didn't have many Rock Throws. Okay, don't crit, don't crit, don't crit. Okay, cool. Okay, so this should kill it. Oh, that was so scary. That was so scary because of the typing. Like, the Shiftry really bodied our team. So that was actually so scary. Is there a Pokemon Center? I'm kind of scared. I kind of want to go heal, but I don't want to go all the way back either. Okay. Oh, this is a new town. Oh, thank God. Okay. I didn't want to, like, get caught in a battle or something. So we can heal up here. We need to buy potions. We can sell our Max Revive. Good shit. Alright, so we're in the new town. There's like a flower shop here. That's all I remember. Oh, there's some berries. Berries are good. I like them for status. Like the orange berries aren't gonna matter. No. But definitely the cherry berries like would have really helped earlier too. Did we get like a pail or something? Oh, we get flowers. No. Hey, we got a free berry. Oh, so it looks like she gets a berry every day. And we get the watering can. Okay. I just wanted to get this stuff, even though I'm not sure if they're important at all. But let's definitely buy potions. So let's just buy 3 more of these, and then let's buy super potions. Let's buy like 3 of these. Or 3. Let's buy 3. Okay. What? Who is this? Oh. Wait, how much is a heal ball? Oh. Okay, very expensive app. Okay, I'm gonna pause right here, cause I gotta do something else. But hey, we got our first encounter, and that's really cool. So I'm gonna pause right here, or maybe I should just end. I'll end this segment, and then I'll just make a new video so that the video isn't too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll keep coming. We'll keep going. Sorry, after this. Peace, guys.